Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm explaining the typical manifesting journey to you. But before we start, I'm TG. I'm here to tell you about my success stories, tips and techniques that I'm using this manifestation period. And if you want the magic in your life, please subscribe my channel and turn on notifications for not missing anything. So let's start. Okay, what is typical manifesting journey? Okay, I'm gonna giving you the steps. If you know the steps, you just make the time a little bit shorter, okay, while you're manifesting. Okay, step number one, you decide what you want. Okay, this is the typical manifesting journey. Step number one. Okay, you decide what you want. You just decide that you want an SB, you want money, you want a career, you want a job, whatever. Okay, you decide that this is the step one. And step two, you're just doing some research about it. Okay, you're just reading a book or searching for internet or on YouTube, or you just watch many videos about that you just try to learn the techniques, and you just take an opinion about how manifesting is and how you can manifest a specific thing, something like that, and you really wanna know about that. Okay, actually in step two, this is the most confusing part, because you watch lots of things, you read lots of things, you try to learn all of the techniques, and you just read the comments if it's working or not, and you try to decide which technique you want to use. Okay, this is a step two. And step three, you decide a technique and you try it, you do the technique, you just wait 3 or 4 days, and then you just see another technique and you try that again, and you just wait 3 or 4 days, and you said that I don't see any movement, so this technique is not helpful, and you just find another technique, you do it again and again. It's just step three, it's a little bit longer. Okay, sometimes it's taken like a year, sometimes it's taken like 2 years, 5 months, whatever. Okay, it's so long because you try it. Okay, and in number four, you ask for a step four, you ask for help for the other peoples, and you try to convince them to manifest instead of you. And you said, can you please help me, can you please help me, can you please help me, like that. Okay, as actually this is the one part. Actually, energy is inside you. Okay, you are the creator, nobody can create anything for you. Okay, yes, you can tell me your wishes and I imagine it, and I just put it into my reality, and it can still manifest it. But you just forget about that. You just think that you need some help to manifest something. Okay, this is a step four. You just ask for help to many people. Okay, many YouTubers and other thing, coaching, and you just take sessions and sessions and sessions, whatever. Okay, and somehow step number five, you just get exhausted about doing affirmations, techniques, whatever. Okay, you just get exhausted, you just start to believe that the law isn't working, so maybe it's not the fate, so I just move on to my life, but I still want it. And you are deciding, you just between in some kind of indecisionist. Okay, and you said to yourself that I want it one day, and the next day I don't want it. I want it, I don't want it. Law is working, not working. Law is working, not working. Okay, you're like that. And step number six, you just said to yourself that, okay, I understand that I can't manifest my desire, so I just give up and move on to my life. Okay, and you just get a little bit upset about what you're not having, but you said, okay, I'm done, I'm give up, and you move on to your life. And from now on, the moving on your life, you have no negative feelings about your wishes, you have no needy energy, you have no in a desperate mode, you have nothing to talk about your wishes anymore. Okay, you just give the flow actually. Okay, and then the final step, it manifests suddenly when you don't expect it. Okay, you just give up on it and it manifests instantly. So why I just giving the steps to you? Because if you just understand that, you have to depend on, or you have to hold your wishes, your manifestations like that. And I'm gonna give you an example with the bottle side, okay? And you just scoot like that, okay? But you see, I'm holding it and it never moves, okay? You hold your manifestations like that, okay? But when I do like that, see, okay, it comes. So you just cut the energy, okay? You just cut the energy of your manifestations with your techniques, with your anxious, with your anxiety, with your bad thoughts, feelings, whatever, okay? You have to live it a little bit, relax, okay? You just wish it, do your techniques, and just let go of the anxiety because you know that it's gonna happen. Okay, that's why when you give up, it happens so quickly. Okay, because you give the chance to your manifestation to happen. Okay, guys, I hope that this video will help you. And if you like that video, please hit the like button and see you in my next video. Bye bye.